Welcome back, everyone. In the last lesson, we explored how your community can grow into a complete ecosystem, a space where your audience interacts, shares, and learns from each other, providing you with valuable insights to shape future products. But before we get into the specifics on how to build a community, it's essential to first decide on what your community will focus on. Because choosing the right topic will not only attract the right members, it'll also ensure that your community remains engaged and sustainable in the long run. So let's dive in and talk about the different ways to choose a topic for your community and how you can identify the best fit for you. So in general, we divide content creators into 3 groups. Niche content creators who want to dive deeper, lifestyle creators who don't have a clear niche, and content creators with a niche but want to create a community on a different topic. Now let's talk about how each group can build a community. And no matter where you're starting from, here's how you can take the next step. Follow the link in the description to see the next part.